In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new terms in QuickBooks. Whether you're a business owner managing finances or simply looking to streamline your invoicing process, having the right payment terms set up can give you greater control and clarity over your transactions. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible for you. To begin, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the familiar layout of the platform. Your first task is to navigate to the settings. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with various options. In this menu, locate and select All Lists. This is going to bring up a comprehensive list of the different categories you can manage within QuickBooks. From here, your next step is to click on Terms. This selection will direct you to the section where you can view and edit the payment terms already in place, as well as create new ones. Now let's create a new term. Look for the New button, usually found in a prominent area on the page, and click it. A form will appear, prompting you to enter details about the new term you're setting up. Clicking on the Name field allows you to specify the descriptive title for your payment term. This should be something intuitive that you'll easily recognize, like net 30 inches or quarterly payment. The next part is about specifying the payment time frame. First, you'll encounter the option labeled as Due in Fixed Number of Days. Clicking here lets you define the period in which the payment is expected to be completed, say within 30 or 45 days from the invoice date. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just enter the desired number of days, and you're good to go. Alternatively, if you want to set the payment due by a specific day of the month, perhaps because it aligns with your monthly accounting routine, there's an option for that too. Click on Due by certain day of the month, and specify which day works best for you, providing transparency to both you and your clients on when to settle the payment. Lastly, if your billing cycle is flexible and you're open to the next month payments based on the issue date, you have an option called Due the Next Month if issued within. This feature allows you to accommodate billing issued towards the end of a current month, giving leeway until the next month to receive payments. And that's it. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, ensure all details are correct before saving. You've now successfully created a new payment term in QuickBooks, customized to fit your business needs. Now, you can apply these terms across your invoices, making your financial management that much simpler. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting.